Good morning. We are going to talk some this morning about integers and absolute value. Here are some definitions for you. Integers are whole numbers. They are a number that is not a fraction, and integers can include both positive and negative numbers. Also, something important to note there is that we do have 0 listed there as an integer. Next, we're going to talk about absolute value. Absolute value is the distance between an integer and 0 on a number line. Absolute value is not a hard concept, but it is one that students often get confused with opposites. So here it asks us to find the absolute value of 2. So again, we are going to find how far away that 2 is from 0 on a number line. I like to do these little jumps here. So we have one jump there, and we have another jump there, and that shows us, just as our answer already shows us, that the absolute value of 2 is 2 because 2 is 2 places away from 0 on a number line. Here's how we write absolute value oftentimes. We have these straight up lines here with the number in the middle there. So that is that. Oftentimes for this question, the way people would get it wrong is they would tell me the absolute value of 2 is negative 2. But that's because they're getting confused the difference between absolute value and opposites. Here's another. Find the absolute value of negative 3. Again, I like to do my jump. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Here's a few for us to answer. I'll give you a moment. You can pause the video if you'd like and answer these off. So the absolute value of 7, again, means how many places away from 0 is 7 on a number line. So that would be 7. The second one, negative 1, how many places away from 0 is negative 1 on a number line? That answer would be 1. And then negative 5, how far away from 0 is that on a number line? That would be 5. And then the absolute value of 14 would indeed just be 14. I do think it's important here to notice that absolute values are not negative. None of our answers here are negative because you cannot be negative places away from 0 on a number line. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.